So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see what are switch cases in Java. So let's start. A switch case is a control flow statement that allows you to execute one block of code among many options. There are many options, there are many cases in the switch case, and if we choose one of the case, then only that block of code will executed. Okay, so it's like a menu where you picked an option, and depending on what you pick, a specific action is taken. Okay, this if you pick an, let's say you pick an dosa or anything, then the waiter will give you only that amount of food. Switch statements. This is where you specify a variable that you want to check. There is a condition. If the condition is true, then we will check that option. We will later see in the syntax. Okay. Then next point will be the cases. Okay. Each case represents a possible value of the variable. If the variable matches the value in the case, the the code block inside that case will run. Okay, if the switch case condition is true, then it will check the um, cases. Okay, uh, that the user have given the option. Okay, let's say the user have selected the case 2, then only case 2 block will be executed. We will see in the syntax of the switch case. Break statement. After running the code inside a case, the break statement stops the switch from continuing to check other cases. Okay, if you don't use break, Java will keep running the next cases even they are don't match, which is called fall through. Okay, the break statement is to uh, break the uh, program or termination of the program. After every cases, the break keyword is used. Okay, what will the break keyword do? It will terminate the program. If we not write the break statement, then program will continue executing the next cases. Okay, those we don't want to print that cases next cases, only we have to print which we have picked that case. Okay, we will see in the practical session further. Next, default case. If none of the cases match the variable, the default case runs. This like a fallback option. Okay, if none of the case matches from n number of cases, okay, then the default block or default case will always executed. Okay, suppose for example a user has entered the invalid input. Okay, and to showcase the user or to give the message to the user, we actually give a statement that please enter a valid statement. For that the default case is used. Now this is the syntax of the switch cases, and here we write switch. It is the keyword, and if the condition is true, okay, if the condition is true, then only it will enter into these blocks. Okay, there are n number of cases, and here we write some code and the break statement in every case. In after every case we write the break statement. Okay, the break statement is used to terminate the block of code. So let's start with our demonstration. So I'm created a class called demo, and in that I'm creating a main function. Okay, and I'm writing, or I'm creating a variable called day. It is an integer type of variable. Okay, now I'm giving a parameter in a switch keyword as days, and I'm initializing a number days, let's say 4. Okay, now I'm writing the cases. Let's say case 1, it will print Monday. Okay, then next will be the break statement. Break statement, what I tell that break statement is used to terminate the code. Okay, now next case will be the case 2. Same case, I'm changing little bit. Let's say it is a case 2 and it prints Tuesday. And then the break statement. Okay, now case 3, Wednesday. So we'll print the Wednesday, day Wednesday. Okay. Now next case will be case 4 and it will print Thursday. Okay, now next will be case 5 and this will print Friday. Okay. Next case 6, and this will print Saturday. Okay, now case 7, this will print Sunday. And default will be, this will be the default case, and this will print enter a valid number. Default case will only execute if all the conditions from 1 to 7 is false, then this will be executed. Okay, now let's check the output. Now I am given as day is equal to 4. Now the case 4 will be execute here according to this, and Thursday will be printed. Okay. Now let's run the code and let's see the output. So let's see. See, Thursday has been printed. Let's say I am giving an another case. Let's say I am giving the day integer day as day 1. Okay. What will be the now print? The Monday will be printed. Okay. Let's see whether it will print or not. See, the Monday has been printed. If I enter the wrong or invalid number, let's say 9, okay, what will be output in the console? Okay, let's see, I have given the default case has been executed now. Enter a valid number because 9 case is not present in the code. Only till 7 cases are present in the code. Okay. Now let's check if I remove this break. Okay, this break and this break. Okay, what will be happen then? Okay, let's see. If I give the days is equal to 4, then let's check. See, the case 4 has been executed because I have initialized the days as 4. Then next 5 has been executed. Then next case 6 has been executed. Now then, okay, till 6 has been executed because we have written the break statement in the switch case, in the sixth case. So this Sunday is not been executed. Okay, if we not write the break statement, then further cases will be executed. Write a break statement, then only the case will be executed. Case 4, case 5 will be executed. Now let's see. Now I am giving days is equal to 4. Only Thursday will be printed. Case 4 will be executed. Okay. Okay. So this is the example of the switch case. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.